From massage therapy guns to weight loss drugs and intermittent fasting, health trends continue to evolve year after year. So what will 2024 usher in?
Well, to give us a glimpse of what we can expect, we welcome registered dietitian Andrea Hardy, who joins us from Calgary this morning with 3 trends to watch. Andrea, good morning to you.
Good morning. Thank you for having me this morning.
Well, it's good to see you again. Every year, as we mentioned, we see different trends. I know it's early, but you are already seeing some trends that are starting to gain some traction. So where do you want to start?
Right, so the big one that clients keep asking me about is personalized nutrition. So people are getting more and more interested in using their body's own data to guide their health decisions, and that's really exciting, but I definitely caution proceeding with stuff like that. So ultimately, there isn't a lot of research yet to really support taking an expensive $500 gut microbiome test or using our DNA to guide our nutrition. Well, I'm hoping in the future the research will be there. It's just not there yet. And so a test like this can't really tell you specifically what you should be eating beyond kind of getting back to the basics. You guys know me, always recommending getting back to the basics. And it certainly can't recommend a custom probiotic, for example.
Okay, all right. Now, your next trend is something I think a lot of us saw over the holidays.
Yeah, so really excitingly for me as a gut health dietitian is this movement towards making not drinking alcohol a little bit more fun. So we see a lot of non-alcoholic drinks coming on the market, and I find with this is really great for digestive health because alcohol can really upset our digestion and make those who struggle with digestive disorders have more symptoms. And we know alcohol isn't great for our health, and Canada's just put out new recommendations for us to actually look at cutting back alcohol intake even more significantly than the previous recommendations. And so we're seeing a lot more fun mocktails and drinks on the market. Before, you know, the de-alcoholized wine or the non-alcoholic beer wasn't really the best, but now we're seeing a lot of fun different cocktails and mocktails made without alcohol, so that you can still have a great time at a social event without actually consuming the alcohol.
Yeah, that sober curious movement, it certainly is gaining in popularity, without a doubt. So, okay, your third trend has to do with a topic that we have certainly discussed with you on the show before, Andrea, and that's our gut.
Yeah, so with gut health, of course, people are looking towards probiotics. And so this trend just keeps building, in part because we do have evidence to show that probiotics actually can help certain conditions. And so when it comes to picking a probiotic, I know people are looking towards them because they've had a family member or friend really see benefit with them. So as a gut health dietitian, probiotics, I look for probiotics that have evidence. So for example, Align Probiotic Digestive Support has 20 years of research to show that it can help to reduce digestive symptoms. And so when picking a probiotic, talking with your doctor or dietitian about one that's right for you can be really helpful as you move into January. So you're not just buying any probiotic off the shelf.
Okay, and we are excited to once again kick off the Healthy Gut Team Up here on TMS, and viewers at home can join as well by visiting alignprobiotics.ca, where you can find a special high-value coupon to try Align Probiotics for yourself.
All right, good stuff. Andrea, thank you so much for all these tips and helping us get back on track.
Thank you for having me.
This portion of the morning show is brought to you by Align. Learn more about improving gut health at alignprobiotics.ca.